Well, an electrical analogy for you. If an electrician is fault finding, what will he or she do? They will say, okay, let me start where things are working. Then they go one step back and they say, yeah, it's still working. One step back, yeah, it's still working. Nope, here it's not working anymore. Now they say, okay, if this piece of wiring is dysfunctional, what is going on? And is the fault from here all the way back to the switch box? That probably 90% of the time is the case. If that wire has got something wrong with it, it will be the case all the way back to the switchboard, all the way back to the switchboard. Now, it is crucially important then for the electrician to say that I need to replace the entire wire back to the switchboard. Now, if I don't do that, then nothing will change because there will still be dysfunctional wire from here to the switchboard. So everything needs to go. You need to destroy that entire belief. You need to literally destroy yourself and able to help yourself.